guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about daily easy English vocabulary words. I am going to teach along with the English vocabulary word with the meaning. Along with that, their synonym and antonym. Synonym means similar meaning. Antonym means opposite word. So let's begin. Number 1 is adamant. Adamant. Spelling A D Adamant spelling A D A M A N T. Adamant. Adamant means hard. Adamant meaning hard, inflexible. Their synonym means similar word, antonym means opposite word. Synonym, similar word for adamant is unshakable, or immovable. Unshakable or immovable means which is fixed, that is called as adamant, which is not shakable and which is not movable. Immovable, unshakable, which is not, that is called adamant. Adamant means it's very hard, inflexible, unshakable, immovable. These all are the meanings for adamant. Antonym means opposite word. Opposite word for adamant is unsure. Opposite word for adamant is unsure. Antonym means unsure. Okay. Unsure means not sure. If you wanted to tell not sure. Okay. That is the opposite word for the adamant. So this is the adamant meaning, synonym and antonym. Let's begin the second word. Now second English vocabulary word is adverse. Adverse spelling A-D-V-E-R-S-E. Adverse. Adverse meaning unfavorable. Meaning unfavorable. Adverse meaning unfavorable. Synonym means meaning. Meaning of the adverse means similar meaning of the adverse is disadvantage. Disadvantage. We know that if we are using the daily common word, that is disadvantage. So instead of using disadvantage, unfavorable, we will use a excellent English vocabulary word, that is adverse. Adverse. Opposite word of adverse is favorable. Opposite word is favorable. So normally unfavorable, disadvantage means adverse. So antonym, opposite word is favorable, means advantage. That is the opposite word will become for the adverse. So instead of using disadvantage, unfavorable, we will use the excellent English vocabulary word, that is adverse. Now let's begin the third English vocabulary word. So third English vocabulary word is accord. Accord. Spelling A-C-C-O-R-D. Accord. Accord meaning agreement. Accord meaning agreement. Instead of using agreement, we will use accord. Okay. Similar meaning means synonym. Synonym for accord is grant. Similar meaning for accord is grant. If we have to tell granted means permission given, agreement done. These all are the similar meanings for the word that is accord. Accord is a vocabulary word. Now what is the antonym for the accord is withhold. We can use either withhold or disagree. These are the opposite words for the English vocabulary word accord. Accord means agreement given, granted. Opposite word is withhold means keeping it hold, disagreed. That is the opposite word for the English vocabulary word that is accord. Now fourth English vocabulary word is affected. Affected, spelling A-F-F-E-C-T-E-D. Affected meaning artificial or influenced. Like we will use in our daily life, we are influenced by so on, or we are affected by this, we are affected by thunderstorm, we are affected by job, we are affected by some kind of words we are using in our daily life. Affected. So what is a similar meaning for, synonym for affected is pretend. Pretend. Pretend means this is the similar word for influenced, means it is been, we are affected by, we are influenced by. That is a similar meaning for excellent English vocabulary word that is affected. What is the antonym, opposite word for affected is natural. Natural is the opposite word for affected. Affected means I told you influenced or pretended. So what is the opposite word of that? It is just not affected, not influenced, not pretended. It's like just quite natural. Instead of using a affected, we will use natural. That is the antonym for affected. What is the fifth word? That is allay. Allay. Spelling A-double-L-A-Y. Allay. Allay meaning calm. Calm or pacify. Allay means calm. It's like we are being quiet. That is a meaning for allay. What is a synonym? Similar meaning for allay is reduce. Reduce means that's meaning decrease. Being quiet, being calm, not making any noise. These all are the words for excellent English vocabulary word that is allay. Now what is the opposite word for allay? That is increase. I already told allay means being quiet, calm, reduce, pacify. These all are the meanings for allay. Now opposite word is like quite opposite, making noise, not being calm, increase, not reducing, not decreasing. These all are the opposite words for allay. That is meaning is calm or pacify. So today I told you 5 important English vocabulary words, that is adamant means hard, synonym of adamant is immovable, Antonym is unsure for adamant. Second English vocabulary word is adverse, that's meaning unfavorable. Synonym is disadvantage. Antonym is favorable. And accord means agreement. Synonym is grant. Antonym means withhold. Now, fourth one is affected. Affected means artificial. Synonym means influenced or pretended. Antonym is natural. Now, fifth is allay. Allay means calm, pacify. Synonym is reduce, antonym is increase. These are the 5 important daily usage English vocabulary words. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for the latest notifications and updates. Thanks for watching, guys.